In this video, you will learn to create summary statistics for a column of data using StatCrunch. The dataset I will be using is called exam scores. This dataset contains one column of data of 23 exam scores from an introductory statistics course. Let's compute the summary statistics for the exam 2 column. To do so, under the Stat menu, choose Summary Stats by Columns. I'm going to select the exam 2 column and click Compute. By default, StatCrunch produces a table with 11 summary statistics for the exam 2 column. However, StatCrunch also allows the user to customize the statistics that are displayed in this table. To do so, back under the Options menu, choose Edit. This takes us back to the original window where we built our table. In this window, StatCrunch has other options for the user to customize their table. Under the Statistics box, you will see the different options that the user can add to their table. To select or deselect any of these options, hold down Command on a Mac or Control on a PC. For this example, I'm going to add N, mean, and standard deviation only to our table. And click Compute, and now our table only displays those 3 summary statistics. StatCrunch also allows the user to add percentile statistics to their table. To do so, back under Options, Edit. In the percentile box, you can enter different values. For this example, I'd like to see the value of the 10th and the 90th percentiles. So I will enter 10, separate it by a comma, and then type in 90. When I click Compute, it has now entered the 10th and the 90th percentiles to our table. Lastly, StatCrunch also allows the user to create their own custom statistic. Back under Options again, there's a box labeled Other Statistic. In this box, you can type a wide array of StatCrunch functions to be applied to the column of data. The column is going to be labeled as an X. To see the different functions that StatCrunch can use, click the blue Build button. Here on the right-hand side is the list of the StatCrunch functions that can be used. For this example, I know which function I'd like to use. So I'm going to type in the standard deviation, and this is for the X column, times the standard deviation of the X column as well. This is equivalent to variance. So I'm going to go ahead and add variance back into our table to verify the equivalence of the custom statistic I have created. I'll click Compute, and the variance is approximately 92.7, and my new custom statistic I created is equivalent of 92.7.